Tell me I'm not the only one whose smoke detector goes off after midnight. It's 1 a.m. and I'm hearing this in my house. Do you think I can get this mother effer off? It says twist this way. It won't come off. I've been trying this for like 20 minutes. Twist. Twisting. I just feel like breaking this sucker off the wall. This is ridiculous. It just says twist off. Just like a beer can. But no. Nothing. It says just twist off. Nobody says to pull this mother effer out. It doesn't say that on the instructions. It doesn't say it. Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere now. Oh my gosh, whoever invented these things should be shot. Okay. Hopefully I have a battery. Yes. Got one in there. Oh Jesus, shut up. For real? Okay, that little guy has to go down, and this has to go in. I have it up. Can't shut it. Got this mother effort on. Now, let's see if we can put it back on. Coming for you. I think we did it. And the light's still red. Oh my God, this is like another Monday. All week has been like a Monday.